There, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these two laundry baskets. On the right side, we have a rectangular laundry basket that is gray, and on the left side, we have like a more like a basket that it's made of rope. The one on the right, it has two handles, and you can remove also the bag from the gray basket, whereas the one that has rope, it is only you will grab the whole basket. It doesn't have any bag inside of it, but it has a protector for your clothing. Both of them are almost of the same height, so you can fit a lot of clothes on it. The difference is that you can kind of fold or take less space with the one that has rope, because when you don't have any on it, then it can just stay by itself, whereas the other one, it has always the same shape.